How to fix something went wrong in YouTube on PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen on the Google Chrome. Scroll down and click on Settings. In Settings, on the left side, click on About Chrome and make sure your Chrome is updated to the latest version. If not, it will update automatically. Then, open New tab again, click on your profile at the top right, then click on Manage your Google account. After you've clicked on Manage your Google account, you will find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, click on Security, and then scroll down, click on Password. After that, simply change your password. Add your new password, confirm new password, and it will change your password, which may fix your problem. If it does not fix, open Settings, click on Apps. Then, in Apps section, search for Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome and uninstall it. After you've uninstalled, install Google Chrome again, and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix something went wrong in YouTube on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.